The Russian ULK Group is a big player in the timber market and about to build one of the world's largest and most modern sawmills 1,000 miles north of Moscow. ULK produces high-quality timber and pellets, and it's absolutely critical that they have a reliable turbine to generate power in the required amounts and of the right quality. In such a remote area, they needed a supplier who was both reliable and was a leader in the technology. ULK selected Howden because we were able to achieve an excellent balance between production of heat and electric power and between efficiency and costs with our two-stages turbine solution. We are supplying two flexible and robust steam turbine generators from our factory in Frankenthal, Germany, with a total power capability of 24 megawatts in total. At the same time, we are able to help ULK harvest renewable energy as byproduct of their sawmills waste to help power the plant. The Howden steam turbine will be a critical part of the new factory, and we estimate that by using of our solution and expertise, customer will increase the availability of the total plant and will have a shorter payback time.